Hey guys, it's Chantel. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are having BJ's. I don't think I've had BJ's since like July. And when I called to order, I was gonna get like, not the mini one, but like the next size, which is like 6 slices. And the guy's like, well, if you get the large to go, they're half off. So I was like, okay, I'll just share it or find someone to give some to. I don't know. But I was like, it's just a better deal. So we have BJ's tonight. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some vegan cheese on it and some ranch, and then we will get started. Okay guys, I'm back. Oh, you can't really see my little reindeer ears, but that's okay. So I just got 3 slices, and yes, I do have vegan cheese, not mozzarella, vegan cheddar, not mozzarella, because that's what I like. I added some salt and pepper on there, and I have ranch, and then tonight we actually have Pepsi. I already took a thumbnail, so let's get into the pizza. Whoever cut it did not cut it very well. Oh, I'm sorry. It has barbecue sauce instead of marinara sauce, black olives, green bell pepper, and my vegan cheese. I did ask for extra barbecue sauce because sometimes they do put too much and not enough. What are you guys having tonight? I'm so hungry. Well, yeah, I'm hungry. I'm not starving. I'm just hungry. Hey, huh? Technically, I shouldn't be eating bread again because I had like a pretzel today. But I didn't really, I had breakfast and then I had a pretzel, some other little snacks. And since I was going by, I was like, oh, I gotta stop. I love Dr. Pepper, but Pepsi's good too. I did a small one. Are you guys done Christmas shopping? If you celebrate. Honestly, I don't think the mall's been that busy. Like, yeah, Black Friday was busy. On the Saturday, the next day, it wasn't that crazy, but I feel like it'll be crazy on Saturday, the day before Christmas Eve, just because we have like an actual another day, a Saturday, so people are like, oh, just wait last minute, or maybe they're waiting for a bonus or whatever. And then of course online, people are just, online is like, why fight the crowds and the hassle if you don't have to? Some people like it though. So it just depends. They like to be out and about, shopping and stuff, so. Just personal preference. How thick that is. Love it. I feel like I need a napkin though. Messy. Woo. I just bought myself the Kiehl's moisturizer and the lotion because I got a good deal on it. Even though I just bought moisturizer not too long ago, but I bought like the smaller one because it was 30% off. So I was like, oh, if I can get a better deal, I'm gonna get the bigger one. That way I don't have to worry about it for like a while. And then that lotion I get, oh my gosh, it's just like, it's perfect for the winter because I have super dry skin. So I haven't bought it in years because it's so expensive. But like I said, I usually buy Kiehl's. No, yeah, I usually buy Kiehl's on sale, not regular price, unless I'm desperate for it. But I bought like the 16-ounce bottle of the lotion. I wanted the other one, the bigger one, but the bottle was like all smushed in. And I was like, no, I don't want that one. And they didn't have any more. And I didn't even think about ordering it. So I was like, whatever. It's fine. I was just so excited about the deal. I was like, okay, I'll take the next size down. Because this weather does a horrible thing to your skin. Especially when you have dry skin. All right, you guys. I mean, this is like purely just bread. Crushed. Thank you guys so much. We're over the 500 threshold. So I'm like a solid 502. So it means that, yay, even if I go down, you know how it fluctuates, I'll still be 500. So maybe after Christmas, I can do a celebration because it's hectic next week, my schedule. So I'm excited. So we'll do something, go somewhere fun. And we will celebrate 500 subscribers. I mean, it took me a long time, but it's okay. We're there. Thanks to all of you guys. So once again, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and we will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Have a good night. Bye.